Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. I've created this channel to provide information on investing, saving money, managing your money, budgeting, getting out of debt, building wealth, and entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to talk about how to get rich. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Today, everyone would like to have financial freedom in such a way so we do not have to worry about how we are going to pay for basic needs like food, shelter, and clothing. There are lifestyles we can develop which will lead us to generating more income, which in turn will result in us not worrying about not having enough money to pay for our basic needs. In this video, I'm going to look at ways we can implement in our daily lives that will help eliminate our anxiety about not having enough money, but ways that will help us to get rich over a long period of time by doing these things continuously and patiently. Also, we must remember being successful in anything will demand hard work and dedication. First thing we should do to help us to get rich is having an emergency fund. A good thing to do with your take home income is to put 10% of it into a high yield saving account for rainy days. For example, if you take home a salary of 3,500 per month, you should put 350 towards this saving account. Basically, you would call this account your emergency fund, which is there to take care of unexpected life events. You would want to build this emergency fund up to 3 to 6 months of your monthly living expenses. This saving account will be a life changer for your life. It will help you to get rich because it will protect your wealth like an insurance policy. So if your car needs repairs, you do not have to dip into your investment account to pay for such repairs. This emergency fund will take care of this unexpected expense. Second thing you could do to help you to get rich is invest your money. You can invest your money into an IRA and 401k. I will look at the IRA first. The IRA stands for Individual Retirement Agreement. Contributions. The maximum you are allowed to contribute to a Roth IRA is $6,000 per year. You are making those contributions with after-tax money or money that has already been taxed. The withdrawals in retirement. This is where you realize the beauty of the Roth IRA. Once you turn 59 and a half, withdrawals from your Roth IRA are 100% tax-free. Forever and forever. In other words, tax-free retirement income for the rest of your life. If you are 50 or older and need to catch up, you can add an extra 1,000 for a total of 7,000 for the year. There's also a limit on who can contribute to a Roth IRA based on your income. In 2020, as long as your gross income is less than 124,000 for a single filer and 196,000 for married couples filing jointly, you can contribute the maximum amount into a Roth IRA. Also, you can invest your money in a 401k. A 401k is a retirement saving plan that many employers offer. You can invest a percentage of your pay or a specific amount each month, and you can make your investments with pre-tax money, meaning that whatever you invest is taken out of your paycheck before your income is taxed. A huge plus of the 401k plan is that your employer can match your investment up to a certain amount. Matching is a requirement by the government, so not all employers offer one. If your company offers a 401k, find out if your employer offers a match so you can make the most of your investing dollars. Another thing that can help you to get rich is educating yourself. Educating yourself and building skills, which is best practice in life, and what are things to avoid. Also, continue learning new things which will make you more successful in life. For example, reading a personal finance book for an hour per day will help you be very knowledgeable on personal finance. Also, we have work every single day. This one will work well if you are committed to it. Working every single day, because the more you work, you put in the quicker you will see the results. For example, if you're working on a project for your boss and you have 3 weeks to complete it, probably working 14 days straight will help you finish the project quicker and help you reach your goal for the month. Another way is to establish a goal. Write down smart and achievable goals. When you write down your goals, this will automatically motivate you to stay focused on what you want to achieve. For example, if you have to work on doing some research on how to start a business, and then you decide to turn on the TV instead of doing the research. However, the fact that you have a written goal to do the research, this will prevent you from getting distracted by turning on the TV. Another thing is to get things done. The more you move the needle. For example, if you are going to open a brokerage account at a brokerage firm, then go ahead and open the account and buy your first stock immediately after you open the brokerage account. So the important thing here is to take action and do not just say it, but do it. Another way to help you to get rich is by living like you are poor. This one is very interesting. What you want to do is live below your means, basically. I do not mean live like a homeless person. The goal here is to live below your income. For example, if your take home income is 5,000, you would want to try to live on 3,000, and you would have 2,000 left to do anything with it. For example, investing in a new startup business. This affects most people. They tend to live on the exact amount of money they take home from their job. This results in they having no extra money left to do anything extra. So living like you're poor will help because it will force you to live below your means and below your take home income, which means you'll have extra money left over to put into other investments. Outsource repetitive tasks. Outsource the same daily tasks to someone that's more skilled than you, in a particular area or field. For example, as a business owner, instead of doing the work a virtual assistant is good at, you would outsource this task in your business to a professional virtual assistant so you can spend time growing your business. Another thing that can help you to get rich, working with a successful mentor. Find someone who have been successful in what you are trying to achieve or be and seek their advice on the matter. For example, if you aspire to be a software engineer, try to find the best software engineer in your city and pay for lunch to have a meetup with them once a month to seek their knowledge on how to go about being the best software engineer in the world today. Ask them what is the pitfall and the success of being in such field. You could also pick their mind as to what steps you need to take to become a successful engineer. Also, build your network. This will help you and go a long way in helping you to get rich. You can connect with people that's on the same successful journey like you. For example, if you are working on getting rich, network with people who are also working on getting rich. This could lead to they helping you with your career by giving you recommendation to another successful people in their network, which will help you when you are in need of such resources. Also, sell a business and open a new one. This one will definitely go a long way in helping you to get rich. You can start a business and grow it to six figures within 6 to 10 years. After that period, you can sell that particular business and take the cash you have earned from that particular business and invest it to a new business that's marketable in today's market. The goal here is because you have gained experience from the first business, meaning that you have learned the ups and downs of running a business, that you will be able to scale the second business much quicker than the first. So, in conclusion, implementing those strategies in your lifestyle will help you in the long run to get rich. This will lead you to living a happier and healthier lifestyle without constantly worrying about money and paying for your basic living expenses. I know getting rich is not all life is about, but there is nothing wrong in having the ability to live a better life we desire. There's a lot we can do to change the world we live in today. For example, having a lot to give back is not a bad thing because this will help us change our family tree and also help people around the world that's suffering financially. Thanks for watching this video.